Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Next, we divide both sides by y to the power of 4. Next, we have 1 over y to the power of 3 dy over y to the power of 4 dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by negative number 3. So this one we change by v. This one we change for this one. So we divide both sides by negative s over number 3. So we have like this. Now, I will put this one go to the right, and this one go in here. This is number 6, sorry about that. So, we have v, and first the derivative of v. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about this one. So I will put this one gone here. And we have negative number 3 f and s. Later that, we put negative number 3 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s to the power of negative number 3. So that means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one, that is about 3s to the power of negative number 4. Number 5 minus number 3, we have number 2. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have vx to the power of negative number 3. This one, that is about s to the power of number 3 over 3. And I will put about c. So number 6 divided by number 3, we have number 2. About v, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.